Hey guys, I've been asked to trade on Binomo so much, so that's what we're doing today. Sometimes I get comments like, that's a scam, we're being fooled, and yada yada. Guys, I get it. Trading seems complicated and confusing, and it's always just easier to give up when you can grasp something at the drop of a hat. You can find unedited feedback on each strategy of mine on my Telegram channel. Just follow the link in the description, check out the reviews, try my strategies out on demo accounts, and start making real money. Don't let hesitation deprive you of your joyful future. Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make money on binary options with one simple strategy that has already made me almost $4,000. We're going to be trading on Binomo. The link to the broker I traded is in the description. So go sign up and repeat after me. The strategy I'm going to be showing to you guys is really simple. It's extremely simple, really. And it's literally perfect for everyone, whether you are a beginner or a professional trader. So we're gonna need one interesting indicator for this strategy. So we wanna add it in the bottom left corner right here. So we're clicking right here and applying the stochastic indicator, leaving it with default settings, and our indicator is appearing in the chart. So looking at the indicator, we can see two areas, the upper one and the lower one. The upper area stands for a zone of overbought chart condition, and the lower one represents an oversold chart condition. I hope it's clear. Whenever we see the lines approaching the oversold chart condition area, we place a trade upwards. Whereas if the price reaches the overbought area, we place a trade downwards. Obviously, this strategy has a certain amount of nuances to it. I'll be covering as we go as well, so be sure to watch the video very carefully until the very end. So I found the first interesting case placing the trade downwards. We can see stochastic is currently in the overbought chart condition area. Besides, we can notice the overall course is downwards, which is exactly what my first advice for you guys is based on. Be sure to only ever trade considering the global chart course. Basically, if we see an overall uptrend, we only trade upwards as soon as we get a signal from stochastic, obviously. Or, just like in this case we're facing right now, whenever we see the primary general motion is downwards, we solely trade downwards as soon as we see a signal from the indicator. Our trade confidently closing at profit. Let's carry on. So I'm placing a trade downwards. We can see stochastic has entered the overbought condition area. Moreover, the general trend motion is downwards. These two factors are enough for me to make a deal. The second advice for you guys to improve any strategy performance: make sure to follow your risk management. You will stumble upon a failed trade sooner or later, and if you're not following your risk management, any couple of lost trades could cost you losing your entire deposit. And by the way, your trade closed in a profit. I found another great situation to work with. Placing the trade upwards, we can see stochastic has entered the overbought chart condition area, and if we zoom out, we'll see the overall price course setting up. Our trade closed in a profit. So, placing another $500 upwards, we can notice stochastic has entered the oversold area, and besides that, the general chart motion is upwards. Let me give you guys another advice. It's gonna help you find more accurate entry points. Whenever you face a situation when you've got a signal on stochastic and the price is also staying at some support or resistance level, that's like literally the perfect entry point that can easily work out. So remember that, guys. Keep that in mind. Our trade failed, but that's totally alright. We're doubling the deal amount and placing a covering one. Obviously, you shouldn't always go for a covering trade. I did it here because stochastic didn't display any kind of reaction. It's still in the oversold chart condition area. The trade confidently closed in a profit. found another interesting case for us. Placing a trade upwards, we can see stochastic displays an oversold chart condition while the general price motion is upwards. So let's see how it goes. Our trade fails. I'm not gonna cover it with the following one at the same asset. I want to double the deal amount and enter at another currency pair, since we have already witnessed stochastic reacting to the market changes, so it might simply not work out with the second attempt. Let's see what we got. So I'm entering upwards. We can see stochastic is currently in the oversold area and the overall price course is upwards. That's exactly why I entered upwards. Our trade successfully closed in a profit. So thanks to such a simple strategy, we managed to make $1,800 in literally like a few minutes. Obviously, your profits shouldn't be limited to that number. Today, I'm hosting a free trading session on my Telegram channel. The link is gonna be waiting for you in the description. You're gonna be able to just copy my trades and make money off of it together with me. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.